Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe Blow Gaming. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's gonna be a quick tutorial video on how to actually take a photo with your webcam, and this is gonna be good for video thumbnails or YouTube thumbnails and Photoshop purposes as well, or whatever editing software you use. So let's go ahead and hop into the video, guys. All right, guys. So this is gonna be solely for Windows. This is gonna be specifically for Windows. I'm not sure exactly how to do it on Mac. But basically, this is how to take a photo. Okay, guys, so now there's a new software installed already into the Windows. If you have Windows 10 or up or whatever, you're going to be able to, you're already going to have a program. Obviously, it's going to be called Camera. Okay, so this camera app is really, really good because obviously what it does is it allows you to take photos. You can actually as well take videos right here on the right hand side. You can select video or you can select photo, right? And basically, you can go up here to your top left as well. There's your settings, your pro mode, framing grid, all video quality. You can pick the quality of the video, all things like these, right? Now, simply to take a photo, of course, all you have to do is simply click on the photo icon like that. It'll snap a photo. And then you're going to see at the bottom left, right hand side of your corner here, this little camera roll right down here. If you open that, you can see now it'll actually show you the photo of the actual, your photo you just take. Now, you can choose to click up here and to zoom in if you would like. You can do whatever you want. Up here as well, this is to rotate the image if you would like. This is the trash, and then this is just to add, pretty sure, filters and stuff. But to be able to basically extract this, right, what you're going to do is at the top right-hand corner here, you're going to see more. You're going to click on this, and then you're going to click Open Folder, or you can copy, but I like to do Open Folder. And then it's going to actually bring you directly to your camera roll folder. Okay, so you're going to see right here the photo. You can actually drag it into Photoshop or do whatever you want with it. So I just wanted to do this video really quickly just to be able to basically teach you guys on how to, if people were just wondering, I know this was a simple tutorial, but I just thought it'd be really good for you guys to know, just in case some people were having issues with actually taking photos and then uploading it to their Photoshop for their thumbnails or whatever. All right, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give it a like. It really does help the channel a lot, guys. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit that road to 1,000. We are almost there. Let's do it, guys. So thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Adios.